Hello dear students, welcome back to Speak German in Minutes. Today is day 5. In this lesson, you will learn all 12 months in German and practice saying simple sentences you can use right away. Ready? Listen carefully and repeat after me. Januar, Januar, Februar, Februar, März, März, April, April, Mai, Mai, Juni, Juni, Juli, Juli, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Let's practice using months in real sentences. Simple and useful for everyday life. Example 1. Ich habe im Januar Urlaub. Repeat. Ich habe im Januar Urlaub. Example 2. Mein Kurs beginnt im März. Repeat. Mein Kurs beginnt im März. Example 3. Ich habe im Juli Geburtstag. Repeat. Ich habe im Juli Geburtstag. Months are nouns in German. Always capitalize them when writing Januar, February, März. Tip 2. Watch Juni versus Juli. Say them clearly. Juni, Juli, so they don't sound the same. Tip 3. März has a short A sound, like E in bed, but with a little more mouth openness. März. Common mistake. Some learners say in Mai. The natural spoken form for dates is im Mai, when you mean in May. We will explain the grammar later. For now, focus on the sound. Let's review together. Ready? Januar, Januar, February, February, März, März, April, April, Mai, Mai, Juni, Juni, Juli, Juli, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Excellent work. You now know all 12 months in German and can say simple sentences. Practice these words for a few minutes every day. Your pronunciation and confidence will improve quickly. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share to support free German lessons for everyone. For daily mini practice and quick quizzes, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Links are in the description. Danke. Thank you for learning with me. Bis bald. See you next time.